it's me again. How are you? So today just got home from work and I'll be doing a very quick video on how to drive or if you are stuck on an uphill road. So let's do this. Just a short background. My father taught me this kind of technique if ever I will be stuck or there will be a traffic in an uphill road. So first, handbrake, and then neutral mode, and then step on your clutch. Sorry for my pink socks. And then first gear, slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. So while you're doing that, you can now release your handbrake and then continue stepping on your gas. See? You make it. Now let's try it in the actual uphill road. So let's try it. Let's say there's a sudden traffic in here. So neutral and then handbrake. And then if ever kailangan mo ng umandar, all you have to do is first gear and then step on your gas and then release your handbrake. That's it. See, we did it. Next time you will stuck in an uphill road or there will be uphill in your area, try doing that technique. Okay, so stay safe always. Thank you for watching. Bye.